Face down, ass up.
Plus, they have pushed. Think about it. Think about where all of our hair
A little bit.
Let's go face down.
Face down, ass up.
easier in the sauna if I got it.
Good, bro. How'd you feel your last fight?
Good.
Yeah?
So relaxed.
I see, man. You're fucking... You're coming at Persona too.
Yeah. I do it here all the time, so.
You got a head start. You got a better head start than a lot of us, bro, honestly. You know what I'm saying, Austin? Like we had to go through we had to get fucking Joe Blow to teach us shit in the beginning. Fucking trucker, you know? Part-time fucking librarian, you know? Now you got the...
Knees up. Big hug. Hug's not dry. Back in the USADA testing program. Right up.
It's my girl's piece. My girlfriend.
So that one right there.
Yeah, you feel like you don't want it. And when you run, you do it. It's on the outside. So you're running.
No drop.
And I'm trying to get my head to the window. Battery
Right? Yeah, we're not built for smashing our heads into objects our whole life.
When I was younger, I didn't understand it. I'm like, what you mean my knees are gonna hurt when I'm moving? What do you mean my back, my neck's gonna hurt? Really, starting to slow and shit.
We're Rich Lumber.
Where is it? I believe it's Boom. Power's on. Thanks, bro.
I'm gonna stay here for a minute. You wanna get
Montana's so beautiful to live.